The Rumanian couching begins with dividing the pattern into horizontal sections using 2 parallel lines for each section. Bring out the thread from one end and go all the way to the other end. On the return journey, anchor down the slayed thread. To do that, come out from one of the section lines and go diagonally down to the other. Again, come out from the next section line and go diagonally over it to anchor it down. When you reach the end, come back up again to lay the next thread and continue the process. You can experiment with the width of the sections and see what suits you the best. This is a great way to fill large areas of patterns. I hope you like this stitch. Please let me know if you have. Also, do not forget to check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you for watching.